Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Screw-It Drill Kit is probably one of the most versatile and useful power tool accessories you can own, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots and awkward angles that a standard drill just can't handle, saving you time, effort, and frustration on countless projects, from intricate furniture assembly to complex automotive repairs, making it an indispensable addition to any toolbox, whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIY enthusiast. Number 5. Maexus Flexible Drill Bit. This innovative tool combines exquisite craftsmanship with high-quality materials for reliable performance. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It bends, twists, and rotates to various angles, allowing you to reach tight spaces and awkward gaps easily. Say goodbye to hand strain and hello to flexible installation. The inner shaft offers a wide range of rotation with excellent stability. The flexible casing protects your hands while you work. This set includes 2 drill bit extensions for easy replacement. They're compatible with a variety of tools, making them incredibly versatile. From small wrenches to electric screwdrivers, it seamlessly integrates into your existing toolkit. It's the perfect solution for numerous applications. Remember to check the dimensions to ensure compatibility with your screws. It's 11.6 inches long with a 6.35 mm hex shank. We're committed to providing top-notch customer service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This product boasts exquisite craftsmanship and durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its flexibility allows access to tight spaces, perfect for detailed work. If you value quality and need a spare, this is the one for you. What people say. For the hard-to-get-at spots. What I didn't expect was for the outer cover to be permanent whereas the inner cable flexes and turns separately. It is a smart solution for when bolts or nuts are in a difficult-to-reach area. Number 4. Guyuyii 3 PCS Flexible Drill Bit Extension. This innovative tool makes home repairs a breeze. Its flexible design reaches those hard-to-reach spots with ease and precision. Say goodbye to frustrating limitations. It effortlessly tackles any project, saving you time and energy. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, it bends and rotates to access even the most challenging areas. No job is too difficult. This versatile extension is compatible with various tools, making your DIY projects quicker and more efficient. It extends your reach and capabilities. The rotating shaft inside the flexible sleeve ensures smooth operation and protects your hands, providing a safe and precise drilling experience. From computer cases to electrical cabinets, it's a must-have for any handyman or craftsman. Keep your workspace well-equipped for any challenge. What we like. This flexible extension tackles any home repair project effortlessly. Its professional-grade flexibility reaches hard-to-reach areas. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional, this will upgrade your toolkit. What people say. The flexible shafts allowed me to reach tight and awkward spaces that would have been impossible with a standard drill bit. The magnetic hex feature ensured a secure fit, making my tasks smoother and more efficient. It helped to replace some hard-to-reach screws that held down some worn-out parts on my furnace. Number 3. 22 PCS Flexible Drill Bit Set. This versatile set tackles even the toughest jobs. Its unique design makes it perfect for hard-to-reach spaces. It bends, twists, and turns to access areas where ordinary screwdrivers fail. Say goodbye to frustrating limitations. It works with various tools, including cordless screwdrivers, hand drills, and more. It's your all-in-one solution for countless tasks. The set includes 10 screwdriver bits, 9 socket wrenches, 5 to 13 mm, 2 flexible shafts, and a handy holder. Everything you need is right here. With its 11.8-inch flexible shafts, it provides the reach and maneuverability you need for any project. It's the ultimate tool for precision work. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you have a full year to return it, no questions asked. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes various bits and sockets, making it ideal for diverse tasks. It's perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach spots. If you need a complete solution for various applications, this is your best bet. What people say. As long as there is room to curl these into the spot you need to screw something in or out of, they work well. Useful in those situations where you just cannot use a straight screw bit, often with a power tool as more space is needed. Works great for those hard-to-reach places. Biggest bang for your dollar. Products are solid and will help manage accessing those hard-to-reach touch points that require tightening or loosening. The additional attachments provided will also come in handy as they fit perfectly with the flexible screwdriver. Number 2. DaKuan Flexible Drill Bit Extension Kit. This kit gives you the power and precision you need for any job. It's built to last with durable carbon steel and offers incredible flexibility. It's made of high-quality carbon steel, ensuring it's reliable and long-lasting. You can trust it to handle even the toughest tasks. Access those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its flexible shaft bends to your needs, making any project simpler. Keep your hands safe while you work. This kit is designed with your safety in mind. It includes both 1 4-inch hexagon and 1 4-inch square connectors, giving you the versatility to work with a wide range of tools and applications. This comprehensive kit includes 3 drill extension bits and 3 1 4-inch socket screwdriver bits. Everything you need is right here. What we like. Made of durable carbon steel, it offers reliable performance and a flexible shaft for narrow spaces. This set provides both hex and square connectors. If you need a durable and versatile set, this is the one for you. What people say. Getting into those tight spaces. So handy when you have those screws that your screwdriver just can't reach. Worked great. Number 1. YTFGGY Flexible Drill Bit Extension. It bends, twists, and rotates to reach those hard-to-access spots. This makes working in tight spaces a breeze, improving your efficiency. Made from high-carbon steel and durable plastic, it's built to withstand daily use. You can rely on it for countless projects. This kit includes 2 flexible extensions and 10 drill bits, providing ample replacements for your needs. It's practical and cost-effective. It works perfectly with a variety of tools, from hand drills to electric and pneumatic screwdrivers. It's versatile and adaptable to your workflow. We're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Contact us with any questions, and we'll respond quickly. What we like. This flexible extension is designed for safety and efficiency, with a protective shield and durable construction. It comes with extra drill bits for various needs. If you need a convenient and complete solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Currently using this for various DIY projects. The soft shaft is durable, and the 90 degrees right angle screwdriver bits are handy. No more struggling with awkward angles. This is the handiest tool ever. Great for all those weird angles, and love that there's a 2-pack along with a set of drill bits. Got this for my husband for Christmas and he loved it and is really excited to use it. Fits in small unreachable spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.